Hello, welcome back, my dear viewers. Today we are going to discuss about how to represent root 3 on the number line. So in case of representing negative of 2, negative of 3 and positive of 3. So we have come across all these things even in the previous class, even in lower classes. So today we are going to discuss how to represent root 2, okay? Not 3, it is root 3. So how to represent root 3 under the number line. So we have to discuss today. So in order to do that, firstly what we should write, that is we have to consider some square, okay? Unit square of which its side is 1 unit, okay? So let us write here, let us consider a unit square or a BC with its side is 1 unit, okay? And then here let us make 1 square. Here let us name it as O. Here it is A, here it is B, then C, okay? So in its side is 1 unit, 1 unit, okay? So from here we have to find root 3, okay? Or firstly, in order to find root 3 we have to find root 2, then we have to proceed it like this in order to find root 3, okay? Let us draw in OB. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, so we have to take one of this triangle, that is OAB and OCB. So we have to take it once, one of it. So let us take in triangle OAB, okay? So here it is OB square equal to how much? OA square plus AB square, okay? This is Pythagoras theorem that we have learned in lower class, like in class 8, okay? So OB square here. So what is the values of OA? That is 1 square. Here it is square, so we put it square. Even here also OB square will be give you 2, okay? So if you move square on that side, that will become root 2, okay? So here the question has not given any units, so we write it as unit, okay? So you write it like this. Then here we have to represent root 2 on the number line, okay? So same as the process that we did in last class, we have to do it here also. Okay, let us take a bit bigger than the one that we take in last class. Let us name it as 1. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Even here -1, -2, -3, okay? So we have to draw it a square. Then we have to represent root 2, okay? So let us name it as this one is A, and this one is B, and this one is C. Okay, so what is the values of this that we got? That is root 2. Just above this we got OB equal to root 2, so we write root 2, and its side is 1 unit, even in here, even in this. Okay, so from that you have to draw arc. So let us name this as P. Okay, so P represent root 2. Okay, likewise we have to proceed it even for root 3. Okay, in order to represent root 3, so we have to draw one more line from this. Okay, let us draw from here. So let us draw one more line which is 1 unit. Okay, let us join with this. So here let us name it as D. Then we have to find the length of this. Here it is 1 unit as I mentioned here. So here it is root 2. So even in this you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so after applying Pythagoras theorem, then you will get root 3. Here let us do. Okay, by applying Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle, what is the triangle of this? That is OBD. In triangle OBD. Okay, so let us correct here. In triangle OAB, and in triangle OBD. So what is the longest side? That is OD. OD square equal to what is that? OB square plus BD or DB square. Okay, OD square equal to OB. What is the values of OB? That is root 2. Here it is root 2. And what is this? This is a square. Okay, so what is the values of BD? It is 1 square. OD square equal to square and root, you got it, 2 plus 1 square will give you 1. So if you plus 2 and 1, then this term will be 3. So if you move square on that side, then it will be root 3. Okay, so you have to write it here how you draw this. Okay, so from that we got it here, how much it is root 3. Okay, so you have to represent this root 3 on the number line. So in order to represent root 3 on the number line, firstly you have to do it like this. Okay, you have to draw an arc. Okay, so after drawing an arc, the arc will intersect in number line. So the point where the arc and the line intersect, that represent that number. Okay, even root 3 or root 4, root 3, root 1. Okay, here it is. Let us name it as Q. Okay, so here it is Q. So this Q represent root 3 on the number line. So this is the way how to represent root 3 on the number line. Then let us write how we did this one. Thus taking OS center. Okay, OS center and OD as radius. Okay, we draw an arc intersecting at point P, or it is a line. You know which point P is there. You can write it even in line also. Okay, point P. That means therefore P correspond, it should be Q, okay? Q correspond to root 3 on the number line. Hence, what can we write? Q represent root 3 on the number line. Okay, so that's it. If you find any kind of difficulties in understanding this, please comment down below and I'll check it whenever I have a time, and within a short span or within a short time I'll try to reply you back. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. We'll see in the next classes. Okay, so that's it for today.